Hello guys, and welcome to MetaSpeedMap. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the daytime running light on your BMW F20 F21 1 series with the standard halogen bulbs. If you want to know where your daytime running light is, it's this one at the very top, here in the centre. To gain access to the bulb is pretty simple. You need to, first of all, pull the bonnet release lever twice. This will give you access to where you need to be. Above each headlight is a round cap. Turn the cap anti-clockwise so you can remove the cap. Once removed, you will see the daytime running light bulb at the very top, just here. To remove the bulb, you need to push in the two clips on the side of the plug at positions 3 and 9 o'clock. When they are pushed in, just pull on the plug. When the bulb and plug have been removed, you will see the big bulb, which is known as the W21W. As you may have noticed, I am now wearing gloves, as you should never touch the bulb with your bare skin, as the oil in your skin will shorten the lifespan of the bulb. To remove the bulb, just pull it out of the socket. It will click. To refit is the complete opposite of removal. Push the bulb into place, it should click again. Push the plug back into the light fitting, making sure that it is all lined up correctly. Then refit the cap on top, making sure it fits well so no water can get inside. Now you can test the light, and as you can see, everything is perfect. I hope this video is useful to you. Have a great day or weekend whenever I put this video out, and take care. Goodbye.